What's the most terrifying creature you can imagine? A shark? A lion? A crocodile? Forget them. The real master of survival is me, the Earthworm. I'm no joke. I've ruled the soil for over 500 million years. Older than dinosaurs, older than trees, older than your entire family line. And the funniest thing, you've probably stepped on me. By accident, of course, but I forgive you. I'm used to being unnoticed. But today, I'll crawl out from the shadows and tell the world who I really am, the king of the underground. What's my super skill? Fighting? Hunting? Breathing fire? Nope. I eat dead stuff all day, all night. Like a nature-made garbage disposal. I swallow decaying leaves, rotting roots, microscopic fungi, bacteria, and poop them out as super fertile worm castings, the finest soil fertilizer on Earth. A single acre of healthy soil can have over 1 million earthworms, producing more than 10 tons of rich castings per year. So, next time you see a lush green garden, thank me, I made that possible. I belong to the family Lumbricidae, the true earthworms. I have no bones, no teeth, no eyes, no lungs, and yet I thrive. There are over 7,000 species of worms worldwide. Some are tiny, just 2 centimeters long. Some giants, like the giant Gippsland earthworm from Australia, can reach 3 meters. My body is made of simple segmented rings annually. 100 to 150 of them. Each segment has tiny bristles called setae, which help me move through the soil like a tiny bulldozer. I don't breathe through lungs, but through my moist skin. Dry me out and I die. So I'm literally skin breathing 24/7. I don't have a brain like yours. What I do have is a nerve ganglion, a kind of tiny brain, and nerves running down my body. I can sense light, vibrations, chemicals, and even slight changes in temperature. I know when predators, like birds or moles, are coming. I can detect rain. I can even smell decaying food underground. Yum. And I'm a genius escape artist. Poke the ground, and I'll vanish into my tunnels faster than you can say compost. My body is covered with slime, not because I'm gross, but because it keeps my skin moist so I can breathe. Each ring segment moves independently. I can stretch, squeeze, and twist like living spaghetti. I have 5 pairs of hearts pumping blue blood. Yep, 5 hearts. Your puny 1 heart can't compete. I also have a crop and gizzard inside, like a bird. I grind up dirt and dead stuff into fine soil as I go. I'm basically an underground food processor. You think your food is weird? Try eating dirt for every meal. I munch on organic material in the soil, dead leaves, tiny organisms, fungi, bacteria. Sometimes I drag leaves into my tunnel like a tiny, slimy lumberjack. I can eat up to half my body weight in organic matter each day. Without me recycling nutrients, your forests, farms, and gardens would collapse into dust. So, humans, you're alive because I digest dead stuff. You're welcome. I'm both male and female at the same time. Sounds strange? It's actually pretty cool. And when 2 earthworms meet, they help each other, and both of them can have baby worms. No need to worry about who's the mom or the dad. It's all about teamwork. Each worm makes a tiny cocoon, and inside there can be 2 to 20 baby worms. A short while later, The babies wiggle out and start their underground adventure. We multiply so fast, even faster than internet jokes. I can live underground, underwater, in snow, in deserts, as long as my skin stays moist. I've been found more than 30 meters underground. I can burrow up to 1,000 times my own body length. In a lifetime. So my cousins survive being frozen solid. Others stay buried during droughts for years. I am nearly immortal from hunger. I can survive weeks without food. I even regenerate lost parts. Cut me in half and I might regrow, but only the front half survives. Sorry, movie myths. I'm not exactly a predator, but I sure have enemies. Birds, moles, frogs, lizards, beetles, spiders, humans with fishing hooks, even flatworms, tiny evil hunters that sneak into my tunnels and eat me alive. Not fun. And yet, despite being everyone's snack, bee worms outnumber almost all other animals. That's why the world is still green. We are humble, but unstoppable. I don't have teeth. I don't roar. I don't have Instagram followers. But I hold the world together. Without me, the soil would die. Crops would fail. Forests would vanish. I am the silent engineer of life, nature's quiet builder. So next time it rains and you see a wiggly worm on the sidewalk, say hello to your oldest, slimiest, most important friend. Because I am the earthworm, and I make the world grow.
Let us settle this before we go any further. I am not a monkey. No disrespect to monkeys, but I do not do tails. I am an ape, the same club as chimpanzees, orangutans, and your Uncle Bob after leg day. Truth is, you and I, we are family. We share about 98% of the same DNA.